Hello, welcome to another video of this English course. Today we will learn the basis to create sentences in English. Let's begin.
Learn what is a noun, what is a verb, and what is an adjective. This vocabulary is super important for the next lesson and for the other lessons we will have in this course. What is a noun? A noun is a person, an animal, a place, and a thing. Let's start with person or people in plural. Examples: my sister, my mother, brother, policeman, doctor, secretary, friend, Laura, Luis. Animals: my dog, cat, lion, butterfly, tiger, pig, cow. Place: my house, the restaurant, the park, hospital, shopping center, bedroom. These are some examples of places. These are some examples of animals. And these are some examples of people. The last is thing or things. In this category, we have many options. Sure, we can mention objects, chair, table, computer, cell phone. We can mention food, hamburger, breakfast, juice, shirt, clothes, parts of the body, finger. What is a verb? Second word, what is a verb? A verb is an action we do all the time. For example, sleep, cook, study, play, read, work, eat, exercise, sing. These are some examples of verbs, actions. And to end, the last word is adjective. Adjectives. Adjectives are words or characteristics we use to describe people, animals, places, or things. In conclusion, to describe a noun. For example, tall. The noun, let's say, my mother. My mother is tall. Big. A noun, my house. My house is big. Delicious. A noun, the hamburger. The hamburger is delicious. Easy. easy. A noun, the English class. The English class is easy.
Thank you for staying until the end of this video. In the first comment of this video, you will see an exercise to practice and understand a little more this topic. Bye.